Welcome to Machine Learning Fundamentals, a complete beginner-friendly course designed to help you understand artificial intelligence and machine learning from the ground up. Whether you are an IT professional, a student, a business analyst, or simply curious about AI, this course will guide you step by step using simple explanations, real-world examples, and practical demonstrations. By the end of this course, you will not only understand the theory behind machine learning, but also build your first machine learning model without writing any code. Artificial intelligence is changing nearly every industry, from healthcare and banking to manufacturing, education, and transportation. Many people hear terms like AI, machine learning, and deep learning every day, but are not sure what they actually mean. This course is designed to remove that confusion. We will start with the basics, gradually build your understanding, and eventually create a real machine learning model together. No prior experience is required for this. Hello, I am Ijalam and I'll be your instructor throughout this course. With years of experience working with Microsoft technologies and enterprise solutions, I have seen firsthand how artificial intelligence is transforming businesses. My goal is to simplify complex concepts using practical examples and clear explanations. Throughout this course, we will focus on understanding the ideas behind machine learning rather than memorizing technical jargons. By the end of this course, you will be able to explain the differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, understand how machine learning models learn from data, recognize common machine learning algorithms and their applications, identify real world businesses and business scenarios where AI adds value, build your first machine learning model using Google Teachable Machine, continue your learning journey into Azure AI, deep learning, or generative AI. So here is the journey we will take together. We will begin by understanding artificial intelligence and machine learning fundamentals. Next, we will explore the different learning approaches and learn how data powers AI. After that, we will study common machine learning algorithms and understand how real AI projects are built. Finally, we will put theory into practice by creating a machine learning model using Google Teachable Machine. By following this structured path, you will develop both conceptual understanding and practical confidence. For anyone who wants a solid understanding of machine learning, whether you are a beginner in your AI journey or looking to strengthen your foundation before seeking certifications or advanced courses, you will find practical, easy to follow explanations throughout the program. No programming experience is required. Machine learning is not about memorizing formulas. It is about learning how computers solve problems using data. As we move through the course, don't worry if every concept doesn't click immediately. Each lesson builds on the previous one. Stay curious, experiment with the hands-on activities, and most importantly, enjoy the learning process. Let us begin our journey into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and machine learning.